Hi friends, welcome to my Exams Daily YouTube channel. Today in this video, I would like to share you about the latest update which was given by Bell. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for more details. Bell is nothing but the Bharat Electronics Limited, and it is a leading Navratna Defence Public Sector Enterprises which was running under the Ministry of Defence. And they have having a unit of in Uttar Pradesh, that is in Ghaziabad, and they have released a notification to engage 9 management industrial trainees. So if you want to attend this training program, you are requested to do offline application procedure, and if you are interested, you can apply for this. And they have also given some of the eligibility criteria. The first is about if you are applying, you should be an Indian citizen, and it is very important. And next is about your educational qualification. You should possess an UG degree with CA intermediate, or else you should possess ICWA intermediate level. And the next is about age limit. You should be 18 years old, and the maximum age limit for this training program is 25 years. And they have also given the date also. As on 31 December 2020, you should not exceed 25 years. And upper age limit relaxation will be given for some of the category people, so you can check through it. And for this training program, there will be reservation also. So if you are applying for this, you can also be aware of this thing. And they have given some of the original documents detail also. So if you have been selected and if you has been asked to attend the document verification program, you have to take some of the documents of yours. You have to take your original documents of Aadhaar card, 10th mark sheet or certificate for your age proof, and next is your provincial original CA or ICWA intermediate certificate. And if you are belonging to the category of SC, ST or OBC, PWD or EWS candidate, you have to produce that certificate also. And additionally to this, if you are a government employee or PSU employee, you have to bring your no objection certificate also. And next, they have given some of the general instruction for the candidates also. And if you are fulfilling this above mentioned criteria, you can apply for this post, and you have to take the format of the application form which was given at the end of this PDF, and I will explain that also. And you have to do your application procedure before 25 December 2020. And if you are interested, do your application procedure as soon as possible. And you have to forward and you have to message your application as subject of MIT Finance trainee, and you have to give in an email ID only. They have also given the email ID, so you can check through it. And they have also given the training about 1 year. So based on your performance and your eligibility, they will be exceeding this training program also. And the training program will not be maximum period of 2 years. You can be applying for this post. And next is about the selection criteria. The selection criteria will be based on your marks weightage, that is your final percentage of marks obtained in CA intermediate or ICWA intermediate level. And you will be also paid stipend for this posting and for this training program. So for the first year, you will be paid of 10,000 rupees, and for second year, you will be paid 12,000 rupees per month. So if you are eligible, you will be getting 1 day casual cum sick leave for every completed month during this training program. You can apply for this post. And if you are selected, you will be informed to take the document verification procedure also. So they will intimate you only through that email ID. So give your valid email ID. And this is the application format, so you have to take this format. So you have to download that application form, and you can take a hard copy, and you have to fill the essential credentials of yours, and you have to give your personal details, your address details, and some of the things, and your educational qualification, your experience also. And at last, you have to give your signature. So please do your signature with small letters, don't do it with capital letters. So this is the application procedure. For your convenience, we have given the official PDF link in the description box so that you can get additional information and reference also. And if once they give any update regarding this, we will also update you. And all the very best and best of luck from our team for your success. And if you like this video and if you think this video is very useful for you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.